Welcome to QuizFin. Think you're a nature expert? Test your knowledge with these 20 exciting nature quiz questions. Let's see how many you can get right. Let's begin. Number 1. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Number 2. Which is the largest mammal on Earth? Number 3. What is the main source of energy for Earth? Number 4. Which layer of Earth contains soil and rocks? Number 5. What is the tallest type of grass in the world? Number 6. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Number 7. What do bees collect from flowers? Number 8. Which ocean is the largest? Number 9. What is the process by which plants make food? Number 10. Which bird cannot fly? Number 11. What is frozen water called? Number 12. Which tree produces acorns? Number 13. What is the hottest desert in the world? Number 14. Which animal changes color to blend into its surroundings? Number 15. What percentage of Earth's surface is covered by water? Number 16. Which natural event is measured using the Richter scale? Number 17. What is the largest rainforest in the world? Number 18. Which planet is known as the red planet? Number 19. What type of animal is a frog? Number 20. Which season comes after summer in many countries? Great job! How many questions did you answer correctly? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another QuizFin challenge. See you in the next quiz.